Welcome to Penny Learning Center. Today we will look at adding four-digit numbers. Question 1, 3,212 plus 5,433. This is the ones column, this is the tens column, hundreds and thousands. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 3 plus 5 is 8. Question 2, we will use the regrouping strategy. 7 plus 3 is 10, so the 1 goes up here and the 0 goes down here. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And 6 plus 4 is 10. My answer is 10,930. Another way to do question number 1 for students that have difficulty with addition. So 3,212 plus 5,433. 2 plus 3, so they can just make some dots. So 2 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 2 plus 4. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have 3 plus 5. So we put 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 8 here. So 3,212 plus 5,433 is 8,645.